Tired of struggling to make extra money or extra cash, and you want business idea that you can actually venture into in 2026, then this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you 4 business ideas you can actually start in 2026 and actually make steady income every with minimal investment and maximum results. So stay with me and make sure you watch this video to the very end, because the last one of this business idea will actually blow your mind. So welcome everyone to Digitex. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, what we do on this channel is to talk about how to make money, crypto, business ideas, and a lot of things that you can actually do to actually make money. We also talk about AI on this channel. So do well to subscribe, drop your thought in the comment section of this video. Now on our list, the first business idea you can think of venturing into in 20 is solar panel. Solar gadget is booming. That is the truth of the matter. So a lot of people are actually trying to avoid the expenses and the amount of money they actually spend on electricity bills, and a lot of people are actually moving down the line of anything solar energy to generate their electricity. So solar panel, solar electricity is actually gaining ground, and a lot of people are actually moving into the trend. So anything solar power device, people want energy independence, and demand is growing every day. And if you are just a small business owner, you have a little capital, and you actually are looking for a business, you can actually put this money into that will generate income within a short period of time. Think about solar. There are a lot of solar devices, solar generator you can actually venture into, and you're going to make a whole lot of sales. You don't need a shop, you don't need anything. You can advertise your product online. You're going to be seeing orders, deliveries every blessed day. Make sure you focus on items, solar items like light fans and small generators that provide instant comfort. We'll soon enter the dry season now, and there is no light. The light is not constant. People, they want comfort, they want light, they want a fan, they want so many things. So if you are importing or you are selling solar products, make sure there's products that provide instant comfort to people. That's very, very important. You can start small, make sure delivery excellent, then you can make a mouth-watering offer for your business. You can combine 2 or 3 solar combo together, then sell it to people. Make them that delivery is free, and before you know what, your business will actually skyrocket. Then number 2 on our list is gas refill agent. Gas refill agent. So if you don't have money to actually establish big gas refill station, you can actually be a kind of gas refill agent. You can get a shop, then get gas cylinder, big gas cylinder, then you can start your business with little amounts. You can actually start this business, and people need gas every day in your community, in your area. People actually need gas, especially for those of you that are in the city, that people depend solely on gas to do whatever thing they want to do. So opening a small refill agent shop or store will actually go a long way to make sure you have flow of cash every month. And then another business you can actually venture into, which is the 3rd one, is rechargeable gadget. Rechargeable gadget. You have rechargeable gadgets like fan, bulb, solar lamp, especially in Africa where we have electric power supply. So rechargeable fan, rechargeable bulb, solar is what you actually need to consider, as well as you are moving gradually to the dry season where there will be no rain, the heat is there, and there is no light. Then you have a lot of wahala everywhere. People are looking for comfort. By the time you are providing things that can ease their pain, like this fan, like this light, if you can actually venture into it, you're going to make a lot of money. You can combine fan and lamp, then combine it together, then sell it together. Then the last but not the least on our business, people actually think there's no money in this business, but I want to tell you there's a lot of money in this business. It's egg supply business. So you can actually partner with farms that hatch those eggs, then be their distributor. You can partner with restaurant, food vendor, grocery stores, then just get the eggs at a discount price, then supply Yours is just a supply. Yours is just a supply, and that's like the middleman. You get it, then you distribute. By the time you're able to get like 100 clients or 100 customers that you're always supplying to every week, just just imagine that, let's say for instance, on a crate of egg, you are getting like 100 naira, for example. Then you are supplying in a week, you're supplying like 1,000 crates or 2,000 crates. By the time you multiply it in a month, you discover that you are making a whole lot of money. So it's a good business idea. You deliver those eggs fresh, maintain reliable schedule. Let them know what you stand for. Let them know you, and before you know what is happening, by the time you start getting the trust of people, supplying them in large quantity, you discover that you make a whole lot of money. If you have any business idea that you want to do or you think I didn't include in this video, kindly drop into the comment section of this video so that when next we make videos, we are going to include that in our next video. You get the point? So make sure you like, subscribe, and more importantly, join our social media platform and make sure you follow.